speaking, just, not even going to give you the excuses as to why I haven't been as active as I should. Okay, once I get some time, I will write something and it'll be hilarious. But until then, I don't really have time to write. But I thought I'd take some time and do something video related because it doesn't take me as long. So I'd like to answer a question that was mailed to me about joining this profession or what it takes to succeed in tax law and accounting and IRS representation, that kind of thing. So here's the answer. And hopefully you young people who are listening will take some of this advice in your decision-making process if you're deciding on accounting. Now, I believe that there's 3 major attributes that I've observed that are necessary to succeed in this field. And the first one is pretty obvious, and that's math. If you're the kind of person who knows how to figure out the appropriate tip on a check at a restaurant, or you can figure out a certain ratio or percentage, okay, that's the level. I mean, we're not talking you have to calculate the trajectory of the space shuttle, but you should know something before function math. So if addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division throw you, just forget it right there. So that's our first hurdle. The second is, do you have an engaging personality? Because if you do, that's not going to help you, and you might want to get rid of it. But if you're the kind of person who can take the most exciting, interesting news or event and turn it into some sort of monotone explanation, that would work. So, for example, let's say the space aliens landed and they had enslaved us all. If you're the kind of person who can say, apparently the ship just landed and they visit with our leaders, it's been decided that they're going to enslave us, and now we have to fill out Form 77ABL, new slave registration form, for the alien invaders, and we really need to get those in now. Then you might be what it takes. But if you're saying like, oh my gosh, the space aliens landed and they're enslaving us all, and now we have to fill out forms to register, that's a little too animated, a little too interesting, a little too much personality. No, you're going to need to tone it way down. Okay, so again, second, had to be a really boring human being. And the third is very critical, but you may need, to consult with a licensed therapist, somebody with the credentials to determine if you have that. And that is, are you clinically insane? Because you're going to need to be in order to interpret tax law. Viking runes, 13th century manuscripts, and hieroglyphics ain't got nothing on tax law as far as trying to figure out what they're actually saying. So there's some, things that you have to think about. There's some personality disorders that will definitely help you, like, just your general neuroses, obsessive compulsive disorder, definitely, like masochism, and absolutely essential is you need to be a workaholic. So if you're the kind of person who wants to have fun and friends and a life, you might want to think of another major, marketing or xenobiology or something. But, you need to have a certain skill set and a personality type to be successful in this field. So, as a person who's been in the field for a while, I'm in my mid-40s, and I feel I have the wisdom to, express and pass down to the younger generation. I hope you find that helpful in your career decisions. For the rest of y'all, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. I hope to have something else out very soon, and until next time, talk to you later.